Hello, first graders. All right, let's practice our sounds. Are you ready? Let's do it together. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun. G, game, G. H, hat. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, Q, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. WH, whistle, w. SH, ship, sh. CH, chin, sh. TH, thumb. CK, sock, k. Oh, and we've done this one. AL, ball, all. What is this called again? This is called a glued sound. So if we did it, we'd go b, all, ball. All right, good job, first graders. Now we're going to practice some more tricky sounds. I want to see you do it by yourself this time. I'm just going to press the slides. Are you ready? You do it. Good job, first graders. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work saying your sounds. All right, we're going to review our trick words. Are you ready? This word is the. I want you to yell it. The. All right, let's spell it in the air. Ready? T-H-E, the. Okay, this word is I. I want you to whisper this time. That's right in the air. I. This word is and. I want you to yell it. And. That's right in the air. A-N-D. And. This word is. I-S. Whisper it. Okay, this word is his. Let's spell it and write it in the air. H-I-S. His. I want you to say it in a funny voice. His. Alright, here's the next one. That word is of. Let's spell it in the air. O-F. Of. This word is two. Two. Let's write in the air. Ready? T-O. This word is into. Okay, let's write in the air. I-N-T-O. Let's whisper it. This word is they. Let's write in the air. T-H-E-Y, they. Ooh, this word is he. All right, let's write in the air. H-E, he. This word is you. Let's write in the air. Y-O-U. Let's whisper it. This word is be. Let's write in the air. B-E-B. This word is for. Let's write in the air. F-O-R, for. This word is she. S-H-E, she. Last word. This word is your. Let's write in the air. Y-O-U-R, your. Good job, first graders. All right, we're going to read a story now. We're going to read a story. It's called The Big Mess. The Big Mess. All right, we're going to follow along. Are you ready? Here's the title, The Big Mess. Follow along and read with me. The hall was such a big mess. Oop, there's an exclamation mark. That means we say it with expression. Mom was not mad. She did not yell. But she said, "Pick this up." Notice how I read that with expression. There's an exclamation mark. "What a mess," said Mom. "Put your ball in the box and get this mud off the wall." Jill and Bill did the big job. Did they fuss? Oh, there's a question mark. They did not fuss at all. All right, your turn. You guys are going to help me practice scooping this. Are you ready? We're going to read it fluently together. Ready? The hall was such a big mess. Mom was not mad. She did not yell. But she said, "Pick this up." "What a mess," said Mom. "Put your ball in the box and get this mud off the wall." Jill and Bill did the big job. Did they fuss? They did not fuss at all. Nice job, first graders. All right. I want you guys to pause this for a minute, and I want you guys to read this. Okay, I want you to read this. Okay, after you read this, we're going to talk about the character, the setting, and the main events. So pause this video and talk to whoever you're working with about the characters, the setting, and the main events. This story, the characters were the mom and Jill and Bill. If you said that, you're right. The characters are who the story's about. The setting is where the story takes place. Well, it says there was a big mess and that there was a wall, right? So those are clues that this happened in their house. So if you said in their house, you are right. All right. Let's talk about the main events. What happened at the beginning? What happened in the middle? And what happened at the end? At the beginning, there was a big mess, right? In the middle, Mom told them to clean up the mess. Mom said clean it up. And then at the end, Jill and Bill cleaned it up. All right, good job, first graders. All right, one last thing before we go. What I need you to do next is I need you to get out a whiteboard or a piece of paper. Okay, I'm going to get mine out. And we're going to practice a few more sounds and a few more words. Okay? All right. The first one we're going to practice is the sound Z. So I want you to write the letter that says Z.